He's still busy.
And there's our volcano eruption. Yo, what's up guys? Today we're going to be making a volcano. So first of all, I'm going to start cutting these bottles. Alright, first cut is done, and so this will be able to go straight in there, and we're able to take it out whenever we want to do the experiment again. Second of all, we need to stick this one onto here with double-sided tape. And there you have it. Nice and firm on there. Now we can start by scrunching up some of this newspaper. So as you can see, we have the main structure of the volcano. Now all we need to do is fill in the gaps to make it more sturdy. Okay, so we're finished with our main base. Now, this can go in here, but we need to trim a bit of this off so it can fit in here and be nicely disguised. Alright, so I finished cutting this off, and then I stuck the bottom onto this bottle so it got a lot shorter, and now it's the perfect height to fit in this volcano. I'm going to be doing paper mache in the next step. So I finished paper macheing, and this is what I got. It's pretty nice. I think it looks shield volcano. This over here, just pop nicely in there, and around here, we're just gonna let it dry overnight and paint it tomorrow morning. Alright, so I've now moved the volcano onto this platform, which I previously used for my Sikking project. Now I'm just putting some masking tape to give it a nice rounded surface so it doesn't have a big bump over here. Now I will begin to paint the masking tape with grey. Okay, so back in the workshop, the paper mache has dried and I've got a good base color. I think I'm going to add some finer details with black. Got the water and the paintbrush. Let's get on. Alright, so now I've painted the top of the volcano, as you can see. Now in the meantime, whilst we wait for it to dry, I'm gonna go and do an experiment to see if the mixture actually works, so that my volcano will actually work. Alright, so I've got all my ingredients out. I'm gonna begin by pouring about 150 mils vinegar into the beaker over here. Alright. And then I'm going to put a dash of food color to make it look like lava. And now we pour the bicarbonate or soda. Which I'm just gonna do some lava trails at the top here with the glue gun and some red paint. So I've successfully finished building my volcano. I've added some lava trails. And so basically how a volcano works is there's either a convergent or a divergent in the Earth's crust. A convergent will create a mountain like this. So one plate will go under another plate, and then the lava will be pushed up to the surface and make an eruption. So it's called magma when it's below the Earth's surface, and it is called lava when it has erupted out of the volcano. So for this experiment, I'm gonna start off mixing and using my instructions over here. So I have filled a glass with some warm water. I'm going to pour over there, then add a few drops of food coloring. Alright, and then we're going to add 6 generous drops of dishwashing liquid. One for good luck. Alright, now we're going to add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Tablespoons. There's 1 and I'm just going to mix this around quickly, just so that the bicarbonate of soda does not stay at the bottom. Then I'm going to pour the mixture into here.
As soon as you add some liquid,
A little bit more baking soda. We're gonna put this in here and watch the eruption. With a quarter cup of vinegar.
You must play. Even if you took photos of the stuff. Okay, so we're waiting on this one.
On the video, James.
Are you waiting for Jiggy James?
I haven't been waiting.
Where's yours?
The more the better.
Yo. Still busy.
And there's our volcano eruption. The chemical reaction has been successful as the bicarbonate of soda reacts to the vinegar. The red food coloring and the vinegar is known for the lava or the magma when it's under the Earth's surface. And there's my eruption. Thank you. I've also created a poster.
as a volcano erupts, the volcano gets bigger and bigger and bigger because when the volcanic lava hardens, it creates more land. Over here, the Pacific Ring of Fire is where most of the volcanoes are found. There is over 1,500 volcanoes on the Earth's surface and a further 80 under the water.